Hello everyone, my name is Sakshi Jagdai. Today's topic city versus villages. Many facilities in city, that is a city has many advantages over the villages because in cities modern life facility are easily available as a telephone, gas, internet, school, then colleges, universities, hospitals, industries, factories, roads, airports, railways, and the many more. But most of villages are deprived of these many facilities. Like many villages, no facility of gas, telephone, roads, etc. Then the way, uh, way of living in villages in people in village have a simple life and live in a simple houses. Then the transportation in villages, there is a animals are commonly used for the transportation in villages. That is our tractor are used tractor are used for irrigating the fields. Then education facilities, city life is a more advanced than the villages life, because in city can get education facilities, that is the education facilities that is you can find a college or university of uh, of uh, of your own choices. Then the more ever then more ever you can learn modern technologies easily in the city from skilled person. But also unfortunately these facilities are not easily available in the villages. Then also education facility, and that is a Biacon house school system, etc. And in villages, the concept of the education is not common in the villages, so there are rarely any schools found in there. Then job facilities, also in the city people have more job opportunity, have as compared to people living in a villages. In a city, you can find job in factory, or even you can start your own businesses, whereas village is mostly agriculture based, so they mostly depend upon agriculture crops income. Then health facilities, in city you can then facilities in city you can find different you can find different facilities, like different government and private, like different government and private hospitals. And but in village you cannot find more health facilities. Then hectic life of a city. But in city there are also some problems like pollution, traffic jam, tension, and you have no free time to meet the relatives and friends. Also these problems are not found in villages because of these villages. People are more healthier and energetic because they have pure food available them, no pollution problem. Then challenging city life full of challenges, as there is a lot of pollution, and mostly traffic. mm, as there is lot of pollutions and mostly traffic jam, so problems faced in city. Then lack of nature. In villages people live in villages people live in the lack of nature, where sunrise rises early. Then also people job fa- you know in villages, concept of education is not common in the village, so there are rarely any schools found in there. Then job facilities, in city people have more opportunity have as compared to people living in villages. In city you can find job in factory, or easily even you can start your own business also, where villages is mostly agriculture based, so they mostly depend upon the agriculture crops. And also city life is a more advanced than village life, because in city you can get education facilities easily. You can find college or university of your own choice. Also moreover you can learn modern technologies easily in city. Then from skilled persons, but unfortunately these facilities are not easily available. And the in villages people have simple life and live in simple houses. Animal are transportations used in villages. Animals are commonly used for the transportation in villages, and tractors are also used for irrigating the fields. Village life is a very simple life. People in the villages are mostly associated with the agricultures, and it is only professional there. And there more facilities available in city over than the villages. City has many advantages over villages, because in cities modern life facility are easily available, as telephone, gas, internet, school, college, universities, hospital, industries, road, airport, stations, and many more. But mostly village are derived these many facilities, like many villages no facility of gas, telephone, roads, etc. Thank you.